Morning Kestrels, I hope you had a really lovely weekend. I cannot believe that it's the 1st of February today. Where has the time gone? For some of us, we've not been together or seen anyone since December, which just seems crazy, but hopefully we will be able to get through this soon and we will all be able to be back together, so fingers crossed. But I know that you're all doing such a great job with remote learning, so keep it up because we've only got 2 weeks left now until half term. So let's keep up that motivation. So I've had a lot more work through, which is brilliant, but unfortunately some of the quality of the pictures makes it really difficult to be able to read your writing. So what I'm going to do, instead of maybe celebrate your work in these sessions, is I'm going to start celebrating it on the website in a separate document, maybe at the end of each week, where we can celebrate all of the work that's been sent in. And I think I'm going to go back and do that for the previous weeks as well, so that we can really celebrate the successes of all the different subjects. So make sure you have a little look, and I will make sure that I put your name next to your piece of work, and we will see how many of you get to be celebrated each week, okay? So have a look at that. So for today then, this should be becoming a bit more like routine for you now. You're going to be starting with your spelling practice. As it's going to be your new spellings, you're going to need to do definition detectives today to find the definitions of your new words. And then you are going to be exploring relative clauses in SPAG, so have a look at the link and complete the activity. For the next 2 weeks for Talk for Writing, we are going to change to poetry. So we're going to be concentrating on a model text called A Dream of Elephants. So that is there, and there's also a video for today's English, so have a look at Miss Martin and I having a little performance of our new poem. And then it's break time, and then Times Table Rock Stars. Okay, make sure you are spending 10 minutes on there, please. It will make a huge difference, and hopefully it will whiz you through the automatic training levels, so then it's going to be appropriate and you can start the studio games. And then in maths, you are going to be drawing line graphs. So once again, have a look at the video and then do it. I know some of you are finding the statistics a little bit tricky. This might be because maybe when it was remote learning last lockdown, you weren't doing it quite so much, or again, it's been missed. But don't worry, okay, try your best. The videos are there to help, but if I can help at all, just let me know. For Talk for Reading today, as it's a new week, you've got a new text. So you are going to be looking at The Tale of Custard the Dragon, which again is a poem. So we're keeping with the poetry theme, okay, really trying to get our head around it. So you've got questions for day 1. Just like last week, you've got a Never Have I Heard grid, okay, where you are going to have to find definitions of those unfamiliar words, and there are a few in there. So make sure you have a good research of those. Then it is lunchtime, and then Science Day. I can't believe we're already on to lesson 4 of electrical circuits, and that is looking at what are insulators and conductors. So we did a bit of this when we did material practice back when we were in the autumn term. So hopefully you can remember that. Think back to maybe our hot chocolate experiment and when we were doing different things. So you might be familiar with some of the vocabulary, but make sure you click the link, watch the video and complete the activity. For Jigsaw this afternoon, we're still celebrating difference as our topic, but we're looking at whether money matters. What's more important? So there is a worksheet on the website for you to have a look at, and we want you to give a really thoughtful approach to the questions, okay? We don't want you to rush through them. You don't necessarily have to write them down, but maybe if there's someone at home that you could have a little chat with about some of the answers that you're thinking, that would be really good. And then class read today is read by me, so you can have a little look at that. And like I say, we will be finishing I Am David on Wednesday, is the last day. Okay, so and then we're going to be doing a few different texts before the end of term. So, okay, have a really good day, a successful day at your remote learning. Try and get back into the swing of things for this week. Obviously, try and find some additional time to read a book of your choice, and make sure you are quizzing. Quiz. Okay, so like I say, send them through your work, and then by the end of the week, I hope to have loads and loads of work that I can put on the website and celebrate. Okay, so have a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow.